Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook lechon belly in an oven. First, select a premium pork belly, ideally weighing between 2 and 3 kilograms, ensuring it has a good fat-to-meat ratio. Carefully score the skin in a diamond pattern, making sure not to cut through to the meat, as this helps achieve that perfect crispy crackling. Next, generously season the meat side with a blend of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your preferred spices. Finally, stuff the belly with aromatic ingredients such as fresh lemongrass, crushed garlic, and chopped spring onions for incredible flavor. After seasoning, roll the pork belly tightly into a log shape and secure it firmly with butcher's twine. This helps maintain its form during cooking and ensures even crisping. Next, brush the skin generously with a solution of white vinegar and a pinch of salt. This helps draw out moisture and promotes a bubbly, crispy skin. Then, place the belly on a wire rack, uncovered, in the refrigerator for a minimum of 8 hours or ideally overnight. This crucial drying step is key to achieving that irresistible, super crispy crackling. Now, let's get roasting. Preheat your oven to a moderate 150 degrees Celsius, which is 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the pork belly on a wire rack over a baking sheet and roast for about 2 to 3 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 71 degrees Celsius. For the grand finale, crank up the oven to 230 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit for the last 30 to 45 minutes. Keep a close eye on it during this high heat phase to achieve that perfect, golden brown, bubbly crackling without burning. Once your lechon belly is beautifully golden and crispy, remove it from the oven. It's crucial to let it rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes before carving. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. After resting, use a very sharp knife to carve the lechon belly into your desired serving-sized pieces. Serve it immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a tangy spiced vinegar or a traditional lechon sauce, and enjoy your homemade, perfectly crispy lechon belly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.